Today we are going to burn magnesium ribbon. So it will be an example of combination reaction.
Okay. Then what is your friend doing?
He's rubbing magnesium ribbon with sandpaper to remove oxide layer on its outermost layer.
On the magnesium ribbon. Okay. Show me the magnesium ribbon. Is it clean now? Okay. So. So, what do you observe, Aryan?
I observed that when the magnesium ribbon is being burned, there is a
Dazzling flame is produced. Bolo.
dazzling flame, and there is that
Wait.
magnesium.
Something new is forming. Bolo na.
Something new is forming. This is the magnesium oxide.
Oxide. Okay. Okay. Magnesium oxide. What is the color of magnesium oxide? White. It is white. Color of magnesium.
We did a activity in which we burned magnesium ribbon, and here is its equation.
What type of reaction is it?
It is a combination reaction.
Combination reaction. Okay. Why it is combination reaction?
Because in this two reactants combine to form a product.
So ऐसे बताना है. We are switching over to the second activity, and they are going to do now. I have given them a salt. They will explain about it. Yes.
Today we are going to perform a decomposition reaction. This is ferrous sulfate and we are going to put it on the burner to see the change.
What is the color of ferrous sulfate?
Light.
Bolo. We are
going to put ferrous sulfate in the boiling tube and observe the change.
This is test tube holder. Good. Whenever we heat any material which is made up of glass, we should always heat like this. See, इसको हमें move करते रहना है. ठीक है? Otherwise ये glass break हो जाएगा. Can you see the change in color?
Yes, ma'am.
Brownish color आ रहा है बेटा? Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is known as decomposition reaction because from one reactant they are forming more products, more than two products, and they are forming a simpler product.
Now same decomposition reaction will be performed by another group of girls. And Yashika and group will come forward on the same slab. Ajo beta. Lead nitrate. Okay. Lead nitrate को खोल के देखते हैं कैसा कलर है इसका. आपका टेस्ट ट्यूब कहाँ है बेटा? ये है ना? तो yes please.
Today we are going to do decomposition reaction. We have lead nitrate and a test tube. We will add a little lead nitrate to the test tube and burn it. As you can see, the color of the lead nitrate is white.
इसको होल्ड करो. What you are eating?
Lead nitrate. Lead nitrate.
देखो टेस्ट ट्यूब हमारी वीक है ना इसलिए अब ऐसा करेंगे टेस्ट ट्यूब धोके दूंगा इसमें करते हैं.
There is lead oxide which is yellow in color and brown fumes known as nitrogen dioxide.
Brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide gas. अब देखो बेटा देखा कहाँ से आप पीछे वाले बच्चे नहीं है? सुशांत आज नाराज है मेरे से. Nitrate is decomposed to lead oxide and brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide can be seen. Okay? Yes.
Again, why this is decomposition reaction? Because one compound is getting split into many others.
आप बोलो.
So today we are going to do a displacement reaction. For this we have taken some water, a beaker, copper sulfate and an iron. Sorry. What is the color of copper sulfate?
Blue.
Now we will make aqueous solution of copper sulfate. बोलो.
So first we have to take copper sulfate in the
थोड़ा सा
beaker.
डालना. एक पिंच ज़्यादा नहीं. बस.
Now we are going to be adding some water in it.
Whoa.
So we'll mix it. नहीं, रुको, अच्छे से mix करो इसको. अच्छे से mix करो. We will wait till it dissolves in water. है ना? Copper sulfate are in the form of crystals. And what is the color of aqueous copper sulfate solution? Blue. Now, show करो.
Now we are going to be taking this nail and we have removed the layer of rust from it using a sandpaper. Now we are going to be adding this nail in the solution of copper sulfate.
So we will keep this apparatus undisturbed for some time so that this reaction completes because it is a slow reaction. So till then we will switch over to the another group. देखते हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं. तब तक ये रिएक्शन हो जाएगी. फिर हम देखेंगे कि इसमें क्या चेंज आया. इसको अब आप छेड़ेंगे नहीं. ठीक है. आ जाइए आर्यन एंड ग्रुप. Is the blue color of copper sulfate solution fading gradually? It is fading. It is turning into greenish color. So we'll wait for some more time and see finally what happens. Because we are going to see the copper deposit on the nail. So which is not happening now. है ना? It will take time.
More reactive, displacing the less reactive one.
In this reaction, which one is more reactive? Iron is more reactive than copper. Good.
So today in this reaction we will be mixing two substances. We have barium chloride and sodium sulfate to perform a double displacement reaction. So first we will make barium chloride aqueous.
Now मैं help करूँ?
So what is the color in this? White. Name of the compound?
Sodium sulfate.
In this test tube we are going to be taking sodium sulfate. हो गया? So what is the color of this?
White.
What is the name of the compound?
Sodium sulfate.
What is the color of this? White. What is the compound?
Sodium sulfate.
Now we are going to make aqueous solution of these two compounds
By adding?
by adding water.
ऐसे
इसमें ऐसे छोड़ना जो डरना.
the color of the solution.
And this one? Now we are going to put these two solution. We are going to mix or react these two solution in a separate test tube. And we will observe the changes.
क्या है?
White precipitate of barium sulfate. White precipitate of barium sulfate. Two solution, barium chloride and sodium sulfate. Combine, they exchange ions and they form a solid substance which you can see white in color. It is barium sulfate and ऊपर जो है वो है sodium chloride.
here is a reaction. You can see that barium chloride is changing into barium sulfate, and sodium sulfate is changing into sodium chloride because they are changing ions. What is the color of the precipitate? White. Okay. Next. Good.
Now we are going to perform another example of same reaction, that is double displacement reaction, which will be performed by Miraya and group.
So today we are going to perform a double displacement reaction in which first we will take lead nitrate.
Which one is the color?
What is the color of this? And we are going to take potassium iodide. What is the color of this?
Now we are going to take a pinch of both in these two different test tubes.
Asha is going to make the aqueous solution of lead nitrate. And Simran is going to make us an aqueous solution of potassium iodide.
Okay. इसको अच्छे से मिक्स करना है.
Now see the color of these solution. What is the color of the solution?
Now we are
Now we are going to mix the, both the solutions.
भूलना नहीं है. आपने वो तो कर दिया, बहुत सुंदर कलर लगा आपको, है ना, लेकिन किसका कलर है, कौन सा सब्सटेंस का क्या बना? इट इज अ येलो प्रेसिपिटेट ऑफ लेड एंड व्हाट एल्स इज फॉर्म्ड? येलो प्रेसिपिटेट बना. और क्या बना देखो? पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट. साथ में और क्या बनेगा बेटे?